YouTube, and today I'm going to be cutting up in these two squishies in a bowl. But yeah,
So today Jalen's going to be cutting open these two squishies. Aaliyah did have a squishy video.
Aaliyah is coming here, so
yeah, later, but not right now.
First
And
I'm going to cut open this.
And Aaliyah did make a squishy video, and she has some videos that we made last time, but her squishy video wouldn't post because I did it on like a place like a video editor place, and it was a bad one. So yeah, we are about to cut this. Jalen, you ready?
Yeah, wait. Let me take this glue. I like this one better.
So we're about to cut this one.
First, I'm cutting open the one that has more pieces. Bro. Come out. Oh.
Wait, did anything come out yet?
That's my... Ew, this was slimy. Oh my god.
This was in it. It's called Epsom salt, and I also put glycerin, and Jalen's about to mix it. Look at that. Isn't it so slimy?
Wait, did someone just come in?
It's really slimy and stuff.
Wait, you guys saw my hand. But guys, that was wait, there's still a little.
It's really like crunchy.
It's kind of like. But you should show me see if that one is that scissor is better than.
YouTube, don't you want to eat it? Yum yum yum. It's yummy. You should open wide, and I'm gonna stuff this in your mouth.
Wait a minute.
It's falling. Did that on purpose. Gross.
We're about to cut open the next squishy one, and look how squishy it is. And it has like these blue dots on it.
What are those blue dots?
That.
What are those?
When we open it, you'll find out what it is. Jalen, are you ready to open this?
Yes.
Okay, you can do an explosion like that, or so.
Okay, guys, Keisha's gonna hold it, and I'm gonna cut it.
Oh my gosh!
We should do that in slow motion.
Okay guys, Keisha's gonna hold it and I'm gonna cut it. Oh my god!
What the heck is this, Keisha? Like, ew! Like it has dots all over it. Keisha, what did you freaking put in this nasty squishy? It's like all over this place. I'm just gonna make it worse. It's all over the scissors and stuff. Oh my gosh.
And subscribe and thumbs up.
Yeah, and bye. New videos coming out soon, but.